1, 2, 3. Y'all are going to be my electrons.
Come on, guys.
I call neutron.
They killed my bag and put my iPad on.
Oh, what did I say about that pink?
Where do electrons go?
Oh my gosh.
Help them out. Where do they go?
Tell them, get out.
On the
Get out.
blue.
Get out.
Yeah.
It's got 3 on that first
Oh
line.
my gosh. Somebody look at your notes and tell me, how many electrons can I have on that first level? 2.
Get out.
One of you's got to go.
Break it physics.
Isaiah, step now up. Where do you go? To the second level.
There we go. Okay?
Better.
Y'all spread out a little bit. You go to the other side.
Don't they circle around?
Right there.
Yeah, but they're not going to.
Yeah, but we're not going to today because that's going to make me dizzy and I don't want to get dizzy and throw up, okay? All right, so now I got 3 protons and 3 electrons. But I don't know how many neutrons I have, right? But if I look on my element card, it does tell me the mass of this element. And we are going to round up numbers when we look at atomic mass. Oh, I'm looking at that one back there.
Right here, 6.9.
So if I look at lithium, it's 6.9. What is my total atomic mass for that element? 7. Okay? So, y'all told me that, what's the atomic mass unit for protons?
1.
1. So right now I got 3 in here. And most of the mass is in your nucleus. Okay? So I got 3. And my total is 7. So how many neutrons do I need? 4. Okay? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Here's my 4 numbers. Y'all stay on that side. But where do y'all go?
Inside.
Inside. Okay?
In the middle.
We have one on our floor.
Together.
Okay. So I've got.
Don't break our
Y'all
game.
kind of stay away. All right. So I got 3 protons, 3 electrons, and 4 neutrons. This is a model of the atom lithium. Okay? Now, I've got 3 protons and 3 electrons. What is the charge for a proton? Positive. What is the charge for an electron? Negative. So I got 3 positive and 3 negative. What is the charge of this atom?
But I was going to fall over.
Neutral.
Neutral. 0. What happens to the negatives and the positives when they're equal? They cancel each other out. Okay? So I have 3 positives, 3 negatives. Right now this is a neutral atom. Oh, you going to join them, Elliot?
Yes.
Oh. So Elliot joined them. So now I have 4 electrons and 3 protons. What is the charge of my atom now? Negative 1. Because I have 1 more electron, 1 more negative. Okay? What are you doing? Oh, you're taking
him with me.
Oh, you're taking him with you.
Yeah, we don't want to be.
Okay, so she just took away 2. So now I've got 3 protons, 2 electrons. What is the charge of my atom now? Positive 1. Okay, because I have 1 more proton than I do negative electron. Okay? So that is taking away electrons or adding 2, gaining or losing them. Okay? What are y'all doing? Are you taking away one of my protons?
Oh, now we're atomic. Let's get out of here.
Oh, okay. So now I've got 2
Unstable.
protons. No, let's think about it. Remember what I told you about the atomic number?
now?
And the number of protons tells us what element it is. We did have 3 and it was lithium. She just took 1 away. What happened to my atom? It's a whole new element. Okay, what is it?
What's 2?
2 is
Helium.
This is now an atom of helium. Okay? If I take away a proton or I add a proton, I completely change the element. I can add or gain, I can add or lose electrons, and I don't change what the element is. Okay?
Oh, we have too many neutrons.
Not necessarily. We'll learn about that later. You're actually okay. Okay?
Because you're not supposed to.
Okay. Y'all can go have a seat.
You gotta write one more thing in your notes.
I'm going Jacob asked the question about, on the element card, it doesn't tell us the number of neutrons. I'm going to give you a formula where you can figure out the number of neutrons.
You gotta write down what she's saying, what she's doing. Y'all just share
It is
this.
the atomic mass minus the atomic number
Matthew,
tells
are you writing it down?
the number of
Oh.
neutrons. This is something that will not be in your formula chart on your STAR test. This is something you will have to memorize and know.
I don't think we're supposed to glue those in.
For those of y'all in my class, and this is also up in Ms. Thompson's class, we will always have a word wall up.
It's cute.
This
Is
will
that not
stay
fair?
up through this unit test. We have the atomic mass minus the atomic number equals the number of neutrons. I also have the charges up, and I have some more stuff up that we'll go over later. Okay?
Do we glue these in?
No, you do not glue those in. Okay? Alright, this was all taken kind of with the Addams Family, the old TV show with Morticia and Cousin Ed and Uncle Fester. So we have a song that we're going to sing that goes along with two of them. And you all are going to sing. We will do a trawl run first, and then everybody's going to sing.
Well, I
And it's going to go to the tune of the Addams Family. At least get your clickers ready, okay? Da-da-da-da. 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 First verse. They're tiny and they're teeny. They're smaller than a beanie. They never can be seen. The Addams Family. They are so small. They're round like a ball. They make up the air. They're everywhere. Can't see them at all. You four can leave. Go. Out. Y'all go to Miss Thompson's room. All four of you on the floor. Go. Out. I'm done.
Together
Go.
they make acids and
Liquids like molasses and all the solid masses. The Addams Family. They're so small. They're round like a ball. They make up the air. They're everywhere. Can't see them at all. Third verse. Neutrons can be found where protons hang around. Electrons they surround. The Addams Family. They are so small. They're round like a ball. They make up the air. They're everywhere. Can't see them at all. Okay, trawl run. Everybody knows it? Yeah, everybody's going to sing
if you're
loud.
not singing, I will video you even closer.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Na 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 na.
Sing.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. They're tiny and they're teeny. They're smaller than a beanie. They never can be seen. The Addams Family. They are so small. They're round like a ball. They make up the air. They're everywhere. Can't see them at all. Together they make gases and liquids like molasses and all the solid masses. The Addams Family. They're so small. They're round like a ball. They make up the air. They're everywhere. Can't see them at all. Neutrons can be found where